this is Nufala from Happy Mango, and I wanted to quickly show you the Tula half buckle carrier and how to wear it. So this is your half buckle carrier. The first thing you're going to do when you get your carrier is adjust the width of the panels in the front. So this is adjusted for a newborn baby. You'll also need to adjust the pocket depth, which I've also adjusted to accommodate a newborn, since that's what we'll be demonstrating on. So what you'll want to do is make sure that this label is on your back so that you can see what you're doing. So you'll want to put this through the little elastic here. You'll want to make sure that the slack is over the elastic when you buckle it. The reason you do this is, in any event should this become unbuckled, you still have a little safety catch. So we're buckled in now. We're going to turn it around to the front. These are our straps. We're going to kind of lay them out in front of us. And I'm going to grab Eli, who's going to help us out here. So put the baby in a bit of a hug on you. And then you'll hold the baby with one hand here. You'll put the straps over your shoulders. You'll take opposite hand and opposite strap, and you will pull it around the front of your body. You want to make sure that all of the material is flat out, and it'll go over your baby's bum. Other hand, other panel, same thing, and you can pull as you go so that it's tightened over your shoulder, and you want to make sure this is flattened out as well. You'll take both of your panels and put them under baby's leg, and you'll tie them in the back. So it's a double tie here. Just take it and tie it once, and then tie it again. And we are all in for our front carry with the Tula half buckle carrier. So hands free. Eli's happy, he's secure, he's safe. Mommy's happy because hands are free. I can have ice cream, I can hold other toddler hands, I can do all of the things. We have these in store. If you have questions, you can come in and we'll help you out. You can order online, www.shophappymango.com, or you can call us if you have questions. Tula half buckle carrier. And this is in mint chip, I believe. We have a few more different patterns. So thank you so much.